that's the way you do it. You play the guitar on the MTV. That ain't working, that's the way you do it. Money for nothing and your chicks for free. Now that ain't working, that's the way you do it. Let me tell you, damn guys ain't dumb. Maybe get a blister on your little finger. Maybe get a blister on your thumb. We got to install microwave ovens, custom kitchen deliveries. We got to move these refrigerators. We got to move these color TVs. To the little faggot with the earring and the makeup. Yeah, buddy, that's his own hair. The little faggot got his own jet airplane. The little faggot, he's a millionaire.
Get a hand.
Okay,
hand
all right.
back.
I'm not resisting. I know my right.
Where's the money?
What money?
You know what money?
I don't know what money.
Get in the damn car, son. Shit.
These boots are slippery, sir. I'm going. You asked, and I'm telling you, I'm not resisting.
Get in the car.
Okay,
Get in the car, son.
Hey, it's a little tight.
Sucks.
Can I at least have my hat back?
No. All right, I got him in custody. I'm gonna complete a search. Oh. What do we have here?
That's my lunch, and I'm very hungry.
Son of a bitch! Man, just what good little motherfucker! God damn it! Motherfucker, I swear to God, I'll get you that fucking ass! You motherfucker! How do I get you? You think this is over? This isn't over!
Yeah, they got him. He'll be lucky to only get a ticket, but send the wrecker out anyway. Tell him we'll pay cash this time.
Please allow me to introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste.
A bit different.
You guys come back, and then Patrick, Dan, get.
Oh, sorry. I thought you were still needing the shot.
All right.
Rolling.
Oh, just don't let your tip touch me, all right?
Come on, hood. What the hell, man?
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Spread 'em, damn it. Where's the money?
Money?
Where's the money?
Fuck! Hey, fuck. How you doing, kids? Big fucky wuckies.
Hold on, tucking my damn shirt in, son.
Yeah, you got audio?
I'm bulging in these goddamn pants.
Get your finger out of my ass. Help! It's the police, help! Penis.
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 Hey.
Help! Help me! You look so good with the hat. It's fucking... Honestly, you should be the one wearing the hat. Fuckarino. Fucktober. Fuck tubular.
Yeah, just stay right. Can you put the hat on a little more?
No.
Oh, okay.
So you want straight down.
Straight down, walk off that way, and you're pissed the whole time. Tantrums.
Goddamn cocksucking son of a bitch! Shit! Goddamn cocksucking son of a bitch, motherfucker! I swear to God, I'll kick you that fucking ass! I'm gonna kick your bag. Goddamn cocksucking son of a bitch! I swear to God, you motherfucker! God damn it! There's something very heavy in that bag. My pants get fucking.
No, that's fine. That's fine. If it blows, it blows. Yeah, dude. Oh my God.
God,
Wow. Where do I begin after that? I did draw a lot of inspiration here. Obviously, I did a parody of the Marlboro livery. The video was heavily kind of themed after my own version of Smokey and the Bandit. Just a lot of, I'm gonna call it iconic shit. This is Icon. This is the Corvette. This is the coolest thing about this, in my opinion. This PPI. I've got my own company on my car. That's pretty badass. Like, it's not a brag. Maybe it's a brag. Are you eating leaves? Don't eat garage leaves. Okay, it's a brag. To myself, not to anybody else, but to have my own company posted on my car, like, dude, I wanna thank a bunch of people. Thank you, John from Infinite Wraps. I've got a segment with him at the end of this, so please stick around for that. John and his shop, absolutely amazing work. Told him I was kind of like, hey, this is what I designed, this is what I think. Gave him my car, and this is what he came up with. He changed some things, he added his own designs, which I asked him to. I really wanted him to kind of do his artist touch on stuff. Thank you so much. Thank you Variant Wheels for the wheels. These make the car. As soon as I saw this wheel, I knew they'd be perfect for this car. And obviously, Heatwave. Heatwave has been fucking with me for a very long time. I've been fucking with them for a very long time, and I'm happy to represent their brand on my car. This isn't a paid rap or anything like that. This is strictly because I have love for the game. Stop eating leaves. Thank you, Chase on Two Wheels, for doing all of this. I would really love to do more videos like what we did here, where we do kind of like, we kind of create like a little cinematic universe, and we do funny, goofy videos to do things. Like, that is something that we were really interested in doing long term. This is something I think would be really cool. Thank you, Patrick. Thank you, Christian, as well. Everything is in the description. Just a great group of people that helped me get this thing done. I'm not really getting paid for anything on this car. It's more of a tribute to the people who fuck with me, right? Obviously, this video isn't monetized because it's got copyright music in it. So if you want to support me or any of these businesses, this is what I suggest. You need a wrap done? Go to my good buddy John at Infinite Wraps. You need camera work done? Go to my good buddy Chase on Two Wheels. You need some wheels? Check out Variant Wheels. You need some carbon for your Corvette? C7 Carbon. Need to go to a racetrack? Atlanta Motorsports Park. Need an exhaust? Corsa Performance. Need some good tires? Kumo Tires. You need a custom license plate frame or a cool metal sign or metal artwork? PerfectPlasma.co. And if you need some good fucking sunglasses, Heatwave Visual sunglasses. Oh, and also, this is not my new motorcycle. Since the Magna wasn't done yet, WOW let me borrow one of their Harleys that they had. This Harley is still available, and thank you very much, WOW, for letting us borrow this bike. I'll end on this. I really want to do more stuff like this, these short videos, these almost story-based movies, these short films. I've always wanted to do them, and I feel like we have a lot of potential here. Hopefully people will hop on board. Hopefully some sponsors will be like, yo, make our products look cool. And then we can work it away into the Danverse, the Dan Cinematic Universe, the DCU. It's like Fast and the Furious if we were all autistic. But thank you again, guys, for fucking with me, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Dan, and I've got my good friend John over at Infinite Wraps. He is the mastermind behind the wrap. I gave him basically a render of what I was thinking, and I was like, I trust you. I want you to do you on this thing, and he adapted the design, made it better, and John is gonna be the one that I go to for all of my wraps.
Hey everybody, I'm John, owner of Infinite Wraps. Some of y'all may remember me from another YouTuber video that Dan is you know, friends with Chase on Two Wheels. Done a lot of work for Chase. He recommended me over to Dan. Dan came over, and hopefully the rest is gonna be history.
Been so accommodating, like it just like welcoming us to the shop, letting us do whatever we want, and then being very patient on filming this video, man.
I don't get to do a lot of stuff like this, so being part of the whole process was completely cool. Seeing how everything works, how everything's laid out. So yeah, it was enjoyable for us.
Don't get this twisted, because like I'm not normally as professional as Chase. When I tell you that Chase showed up, with like a fucking like 30-page script of like things that we need to say, places that we need to be, things that we needed. I was like, dude, I am not ready for this. So
it was a movie.
Yeah, if you're in the Georgia area, or even if you're out of state, man, come and bring your stuff to John. He does killer work, because his work is fantastic. He doesn't freaking post enough. We're working on that. If we could just get him to post and be more consistent, but like
nonstop. We're here way more than we probably should be.
But thank you so much, man, for the incredible work. Oh, thank you so much, man.
All right, thank you.
Anything else you want to close on?
If you have the opportunity, find us on Instagram. Or on Facebook, go on our website. You can check out a lot of our work. If anyone's interested in getting work done, you can request a quote for free, and someone gets back to you within the hour.
And like always, everything for John and everything for this video is in the description. Please check them out. Have a good one. I'll let you get back to work.
All right. That was cool.
Easy, right?